Hi, everyone, and welcome to another Family Law Matters. I'm Dr. Michael Mantell, joining Bonnie Rabinovich Mantell, who is the owner and managing partner of the Primus Family Law Group. Hi, Bonnie.
Hi, Michael. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. Thank you very much. Bonnie, lots of people go into a marriage with hopes and prayers and dreams and wishes and all that. Numbers of people, more and more, are setting up post-nuptial agreements. If, God forbid, something doesn't work out, they want to, in some way, secure their future. I know that you and your fellow attorneys at Primus Family Law uh, provide this kind of service. Tell us about that.
Well, we've all heard about prenuptial agreements, and that's an agreement, before you get married that you're trying to secure your future. But some people don't do that, or they have one that they want to modify, and they they want to figure out what's going to happen with sharing finances and assets and how they're going to take things, title wise. And Michael, you say it like in case of a divorce, but actually, these agreements help people stay married
Aha.
because they figure out how they're going to do things, and it eliminates one of the two main reasons people argue, married people argue, money and children.
Mhm.
And so if you already know, well, we've agreed that if somebody takes something, buys something, and takes it in their name alone, that's their separate property. You already know what it is. You're not going to argue about it. Well, how come you spent that money? If it's their money and you've agreed that it's their money that they can use however they want, it's amazing how having those kinds of things in writing can help keep you married.
And I appreciate your picking up on my twist of the term because post-nuptial sounds like it's after the marriage. And I appreciate you making that very clear.
It is after. It's after you get married and you still want a contract as to how things are going to be done with your property, with your assets, and with your debts. I can give you another perfect example, Michael. Somebody gets married and they don't know that their spouse has, I don't know, 40 or $50,000 of credit card debt. And
Yeah.
maybe they don't want to have to pay on that debt every month. And so they want to come up with an agreement as to how that's going to be handled.
If that should appear. Uh-huh. Post-nuptial agreements are becoming more and more popular. And so if people want to get in touch with you and ask you more about this, or perhaps even secure your services to craft post-nuptial agreement. How can they do that?
They can reach us directly at 619-574-8000. We're right here in Mission Valley. Or you can reach us at our website, www.primusfamilylaw.com. There's a form you can fill out. There's a live chat agent who can get you connected. We just want to help.